Just bought this KitchenAid, the stand mixer attachment upgrade for the pasta maker. It's this 5 attachment set. And I was not sure if we were going to be able to store it in the box. We like to do that if possible. And I just wanted to show you that, yeah, it's going to be possible. No problem. It comes in a cardboard box, not a lot, no plastic or anything. It's really nice packaging. And then there are your 5 attachments. They're heavy duty. These are not lightweight. They haven't been opened yet, but you can see they're in these silicone bags. And there's a kind of a cardboard divider in here so they're not bumping into each other. And then there's also this nice cardboard holder that'll fit down on the top and hold all their power ends. And that way they all stay separate from each other. It's not lightweight. It's a lot of metal in here, but it can be stored in the box that it's shipped in. I think that's a great feature. Hope this helps.